We're here to talk about teething for your large breed puppy. So your puppy is going to be teething between 8 and 12 weeks of age, and then it will go through a second round of teething at around 5 months of age. So you're going to be dealing with teething for the first half of your puppy's life. And so recognizing that teething is a thing you have to contend with, it's important to have strategies on how to get through that successfully. So if a puppy is chewing on anything it's not supposed to, pay attention to what the texture is and what the mouthfeel of that item would be for your puppy. So if your puppy is chewing on furniture, upholstered furniture, a pillow, carpet, soft items, you would like to correct the puppy, tell it not to chew on that stuff, but then redirect it to a similar texture that is okay. So for that purpose in our large puppy kit, we have a soft toy, and this soft toy has crinkle to it and it also has squeak to it. So it has a couple other stimuli in addition to the fact that it has that soft texture. So if the puppy's chewing on your carpet, nope, don't chew on that carpet. Squeak the thing, and then once the puppy's engaged with the right thing, oh, that's a good dog, good puppy. We praise the puppy for chewing on the thing that it's supposed to have, and that helps keep it interesting. We also give you a combination rope chew. So again, the rope has got a soft texture, but also then this has got a little bit of a ball that has nubs on there that will help massage the gums and the teeth. You can use this as a fetch toy as well. So lots of reasons for the puppy to be engaged with this. So again, redirecting from chewing on the wrong thing to chewing on the right thing, and then praising and being enthusiastic when the puppy chews on the right thing. Sometimes your puppy will be interested in something hard. So something like a table leg or something like a shoe. So we want to have a hard thing to redirect to. So we give you a hard rubber bone. So that's going to give that tactile feedback of a hard texture. And again, when you got your puppy chewing this, you praise them for chewing on the right thing. This one has a decent amount of bounce to it too, so if you throw it for fetch, the puppy will be interested in that. We give you 2 edible things. You get a Himalayan chew. This is made out of yak and cow milk. It's actually a very hard form of cheese. And your puppy will like the taste of this. And as they chew on it, it rasps off little bits. So that gives the puppy a little bit of a payoff when they chew on it. They like that. Anytime you're going to give your dog an edible thing, you do want to be home supervising. You don't want to have just let your puppy eat something when you're not watching it. But this is nice to redirect from chewing on the wrong hard thing to the right hard thing. We also have a braided tendon chew. So this is something that sometimes they come in braids, sometimes they come in spirals, but it is another edible puppy-safe chew. And the puppy is going to like the flavor of this. So it's something that for when you're home, you're trying to redirect from hard things to things that are okay, this is a nice edible choice. We have one other edible thing that's kind of an in-between texture. That's our yummy cone. So this has a interesting honeycomb shape. And as the dog chews on this, it starts out firm, but then it gets a little soft as they chew. The little honeycomb pieces get in between teeth, so it actually massages gums as well. So it's a nice edible thing for a puppy to have. There will be times where you've redirected the puppy from chewing on a specific thing and the puppy keeps coming back to that specific thing. So in those cases, we want to provide a taste deterrent. So we have your Bitter Works, which is a taste deterrent. Tastes bad. So the way you use this, you have to catch the puppy in the act of chewing on the wrong thing. So if the puppy was chewing on this wood, we would find him chewing on the wood, we would grab our taste deterrent, we're not saying anything yet, and then we zap him in the mouth with this bad tasting spray. The puppy will run away. And then we would spray it on the item we're trying to protect. The puppy has tasted this stuff straight up, and it doesn't taste good. So then when the puppy comes back to chew on this again, it smells like that thing that tasted so bad. And so the puppy will remember that smell and will be deterred from chewing on this. Meanwhile, you're going to try to provide lots of other things that are okay for that puppy to chew on, so it's got something better to chew on anyway that doesn't taste bad. The association between taste and scent is what makes this product work, so you have to catch them in the act. If you just spray this on this item to try to proactively protect it, and the puppy hasn't tasted this stuff yet, the flavor is not as intense once it's dried, and so it won't work as well. So it's really helpful if you get the puppy in the mouth first and then spray it on the things you're trying to protect, and that will work for you. We also give you some rewards called little gimmies. These are very helpful for your obedience training. So when you're trying to get your puppy to learn basic commands like sit or lay down or come, this is a great thing to use. It's a very small, soft, mushy treat. It smells really good to the puppy. And the way lure training works is you put it right in front of their face and don't let them have it, but the puppy will smell it, and no matter where you move your hand, the puppy's nose is following your hand. That's how you know that they like the treat. And then using that treat, you can get them to sit, you can get them to lay down, and so that's a great treat for that purpose. So all these items here are part of our large puppy teething kit, and it's all available as a package at a discount. If you have any questions about these individual items, you can ask your pet counselor.